Good morning and welcome back to our computer class. Today we are going to do exercise of lesson number 5, that is the keyboard. So be ready with your book, pencil and eraser and write it in neat and clean handwriting. You know, after writing what you have to do, you have to click the picture and send it on my personal number. Okay, I'll be giving you 5 stars if you are the first one to complete and send it on my personal number. So be ready for your exercise. So the first thing is here, filling the blanks using the given hints. Now what is hints? Hints means your help box which comes in an answer. So first let us read the hint box or your help box. Space bar key. SPAC is your space bar key. Alphabet. 3. Number. These are the answers which we have to fit it in these places. So the first one is here, there are dash types of keys on the keyboard. Just revise how many keys are there. Alphabet type keys, alphabet keys, number keys and special keys. So how many types of keys are there? Very good, 3. So what you have to write? 3. The keys on which alphabet are written are called. अब जिन कीज के ऊपर अल्फाबेट लिखा रहेगा उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Alphabet keys. So you have to write here alphabet. Spelling must be correct. The keys on which numbers are written are called dash keys. Okay, numbers are written, what we call them? Number key. The dash is used to add blank space. Blank space means here जैसे add के बाद यहाँ देखो एक blank space है, फिर blank spaces between the word. So what is there to add blank spaces? Space bar key. So now pause the video, write down the answer in your book and then again play the video. Okay. So write down this in good handwriting. I am moving on to the next one. Now we have to tick on the best answer. Okay. So here are some answers, but we have to tick on the best answer. The first one is the dash key helps you to start a new line. Which key helps you to start a new line? Enter. When we press enter, it moves to next line. So which key helps you to start new line? Enter key. You have to write enter here also and tick on enter key. Okay, in your book no star is there, but you tick on enter key. Okay, or encircle that. This can be done. आपको अगर वहाँ टिक करने में ठीक से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, so you encircle that enter. Okay, and write down enter here. The keyboard has dash enter keys. How many enter keys? 2. So what you have to do? You have to tick on that 2 or you can encircle it. Okay, so this one is your right answer. Moving on to next, you can pause the video and write down. Now we have to match the following by coloring the correct pair with the same color. You need your crayons for the same color. I am matching here like number keys. So how many number keys are there? 10. See, एकदम स्ट्रेट लाइन आई और ये ऐसी स्ट्रेट लाइन कैसे आएगी आपकी? बाय यूजिंग योर स्केल. यहाँ और यहाँ स्केल रखेंगे, फिर लाइन आप ड्रॉ करेंगे. ओके. Alphabet keys. How many alphabet keys are there? 26. Keep the scale between your alphabet and 26 and draw the straight line. Now this is the symbol for enter key. So you have to match it with enter. Okay. Enter key. Then this one is your, what is this? Backspace key, and it is just like a eraser. So backspace key. Okay. Here see the pink circle is there. Here also the pink circle. Orange circle is there. So 26 is your orange circle. Blue color is there, so it match with the blue color, and the green color matches with the green color. So you also do this with your crayons. Okay. Now it's a riddle. Guess who am I? Computer riddle. Okay. आपको क्या करना है? Guess करना है कि who am I? I am the longest key on the keyboard. I am the longest key on the keyboard. Which one is the longest key? Yes. Space bar key. Okay, you have to write here space bar key. Second, I make the letters appear in capital. Capital में किस में काम आता है? Caps lock key. Okay, caps lock key. You can write key here. Okay. I work like an eraser. So which key is there? Back space key. So this is your riddle for your computer. Guess who am I? Write down the correct spelling, pause the video, and then move on to the next. Now there is a sample paper. Okay, we are going to solve this sample paper. What can we do on the computer? Play games, write message, draw pictures. We can do all the things. Actually, you take on all the ones because we can play games also on the computer, we can write messages also, and we can draw pictures also on the computer. Okay, so you take on all the three ones. Okay. Where do we see computer these days? School, office, or also all? Which part of computer looks like a television? Monitor. Name the part that is called the brain of a computer. CPU. Which part of a computer is used to take a printout on paper? Printer. Now write T for true, F for false. Machine works very slow. False. Computer runs on a diesel. False. Machine never makes mistake. Sometimes machines can also make mistakes if error is there. Okay. A keyboard is used to type letters, numbers, and words. True. The keys on which numbers are written are called special keys. False. F. Okay, I'm going to erase that. Yes. You can watch cartoon on the CPU. False. A mouse has many keys. False. The space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. True. Caps lock key is used to give spaces between letters. False. A mouse helps us to draw pictures. True. So you write down this. Pause your video and write down that. Now answer in one or two words. Okay. We have to write it answer in one or two words. So let us start our answers. Name the machine which is used for washing clothes. Washing machine. Name the machine which is used to solve sums, see movies, cartoon, listen to music, etc. So that is your computer. Which part of computer controls the mouse pointer? Mouse कौन control करता है? Mouse. Which key brings the cursor to the next line? Enter. Which key erases the letters? Okay, one by one, left to the cursor. Backspace key. So write down the answers. Here also hints are given there. See, backspace key, mouse, washing machine, enter key. So we will writing enter key. Okay. So write down the answers. Now filling the blanks. Using your hints, we can solve sounds using a computer. We can listen to music on a computer. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Dash helps us to play game. What helps us to play game? Computer. Dash looks like a box. CPU.